Art integrated. Business. Nagaland and Manipur. Group members name: Ashish Kumar Kushwaha, Ranju Kushwaha, Devendra Prasad, Roshni Kori, Aryan Kodveti. Welcome to Nagaland. Nagaland is a state in northeastern India. It is bordered by the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south, and the Sagaing region of Myanmar to the east. Nagaland's capital is Kohima and its largest city is Dimapur. Welcome to Nagaland. This is the picture of Dimapur. It is the largest city of Nagaland. And it is the picture of Kohima. It is the capital of Nagaland. History of Nagaland. Antiquity. The ancient history of the Nagas is unclear. Tribes migrated at different times, each sitting in the northeastern part of present India and establishing their respective sovereign mountain terrains and village states. World War II. In 1944, during World War II, the Japanese army, with the help of the Indian National Army led by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, invaded through Burma and attempted to take India through Kohima. The population was evacuated. British India soldiers defended the area of Kohima and, having lost many of their original force, were relieved by British in June 1944. Since Indian independence. After the independence of India in 1947, the area remained a part of the province of Assam. Geography. Nagaland is largely a mountainous state. Climate. Nagaland has largely monsoon climate with high humidity levels. Geology. Several preliminary studies indicate significant recoverable reserves for petroleum and natural gas. Antiquity. and take a look in the picture of Naga Hills. Urbanization. The Nagaland population is largely rural with 71.14% living in rural regions in 2011. Tourism. Tourism experts contend the state's uniqueness and strategic location in northeast India give Nagaland an advantage in tapping into the tourism sector of economic growth. Natural resources. After a gap of almost 20 years, Nagaland State Chief Minister T.R. Zelian launched the resumption of oil exploration in Changpang and Tesori areas under Wokha district in July 2014. Festivals. Nagaland is known as in India as the land of festivals. Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Hornbill Festival was launched by the government of Nagaland in December 2000 to encourage intertribal interaction and to promote cultural heritage of the state. These are the picture of hornbill bird. And these are the pictures of Hornbill Festival. Industry. The age-old industry of the state is cottage industry, which plays a vital role in the village's economy. Cottage industry which deserve emphasis are: first, weaving and dyeing; second, work in cane; third, work in wood, blacksmithing, poetry, and excavation of salt, pulp, and paper mill. Mineral-based industry. Nagaland is rich in mineral resources. Objectives of the policy. The salient features of the Nagaland state industrial policy, among others, are the areas of food processing industries, tourism industries, agroforest-based industries, handloom and handicraft. Agro-based industries. Policy on agro-allied sectors shall be formulated by the state government with long-term projections on targets, area coverage, production levels and areas of emphasis in terms of farming, processing and marketing activities. This is the picture of mineral-based industries. are the pictures of agro-based industries. Handloom and handicrafts. Handicrafts and handloom sector in Nagaland have vast potential for growth due to the availability of abundant skilled labor and raw materials, as well as due to rich cultural traditions of its people. Financial resources. The possible financial sources of industrial growth in the state are identified as under state budget, central assistance, institutional financing, foreign assistance. Rivers. Forest. Minerals. Scope of investment. Office complexes, multiplexes, IT parks, commercial infrastructure. Small business ideas in Nagaland. Travel agency, game parlor, wedding planner, career agency, yoga center. Special food business, chocolate cafe, spa business, furniture business. Gift store, interior design, coaching, real estate agency, jewelry design, photographer, cake baking. These are the pictures of jewelry of Nagaland. Travel blogger, local website, language training. Tailoring, curio shop. Manipur. Manipur is a state in northeastern India with the city of Imphal as its capital. It is bounded by the Indian states of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south, and Assam to the west. It also borders two regions of Myanmar, Sagaing region to the east and Shin state to the south. History of Manipur. By the medieval period, marriage alliances between royal families of the Manipur kingdom, Ahom, Assam, and Burma had become common. Imperial period. In 1824, the ruler of Manipur entered into a subsidiary alliance with the British Empire in the Indian subcontinent, which became responsible for Manipur's external defense. Modern history. After the war, British India moved towards independence, and the princely states which had existed alongside it became responsible for their own external affairs and defense, unless they joined the New India or the New Pakistan. Geography. The state lies at a latitude of 23 degree 83 north to 25 degree 68 north and a longitude of 93 degree 03 east to 94 degree 78 east. Climate. The climate of Manipur is largely influenced by the topography of this hilly region. Economy. Electricity. Agriculture. Transportation infrastructure. Tourism. The tourist season is from October to February, when it is often sunny without being hot and humid. Imphal, capital of Manipur. The city is inhabited by the Meitei, who predominate, also Bengals, Manipuri Muslims, and other tribes. Lakes and islands. This is the picture of Imphal. And now, welcome to Kangala. Hills and valleys. Waterfalls. Natural caves. Festivals. The festivals of Manipur are Lui Nagai Ni, Ningal Chakuba, Shirui Lily Festival, Yaoshang, Gan Gai, Chumfa, Cheiraboa, Kang and Heikru Hindongba, as well as the broader religious festivals Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and Christmas. Ningol Chakuba, Kut, Yaosang, Kyuado Pavi, Cheiroba, Gangai. These are the pictures of Manipur festivals. Small business ideas in Manipur with low investment. Crafts business. Diagnostic center. Ecotourism. Fruit shop.